Hi, I'm Duran Weisbarth. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. You're probably watching because you're either thinking about selling your home, or maybe your home has been on the market for a while and it hasn't sold. I'm going to talk about what gets homes sold, what my team and I do that's different, and why we are able to sell homes every day when the average agent in our marketplace sells only 3 homes a year. In over 12 years of selling homes, we've learned a few things. And whether you are selling a condo or a mansion or anything in between, these proven strategies apply to all properties. The good news is that we sell all sorts of properties and we sell them all over the greater Seattle area. So we know what works. There are really only 3 things that will ever stop a home from selling, and they're the same 3 things that need to be right from the very beginning in order to make sure that the home will sell. And by sell, I mean sell fast and for top dollar. The first thing that will stop a home from selling if there's a problem with the condition of the home or with its location. I'll tell you right now, that's rarely the case. To be sure, when we go through your home, we will tell you what things you can do, and more importantly, what not to do to make your home more sellable and appealing. The other 2 factors are pricing and marketing. The marketing, the broker controls. The pricing, you control. Now, since we study our local housing market and we analyze home values every single day, we will be able to give you good information so that you can make a good decision about how to price your home so that it will sell fast and for top dollar. Let's talk about marketing. There are really only 2 types of marketing. There's what I call the traditional or passive approach, and then there's the non-traditional or aggressive approach that my team and I use. You see, most agents use the traditional or passive approach because, to be honest, that's all they can do. They don't have the time, the resources, and in most cases the knowledge to do anything other than that. What do I mean by passive or traditional? I mean things like open houses, advertising in the newspaper, posting on the MLS or on the internet, and then hoping and waiting for the buyers to find you. But to do a proper job of marketing a home so that it will sell fast and for top dollar requires a much more focused and aggressive approach. You see, instead of waiting for the buyers to find you, we go out there to find the buyers for your home. How do we do that? One of the things that we do on a daily basis is to call hundreds of qualified buyers looking for the right buyer to match for your home. Most agents don't have the time or resources to do that. Another thing that we do that is unique is respond immediately to any inquiry from a buyer, whether they found your property on the internet or they're calling off a yard sign. MIT studies have shown that if you don't respond to someone within 5 minutes of them reaching out, with each passing minute, the chance of ever connecting with them again goes down dramatically. So when someone goes onto one of our sites to view your property, and by the way, we put your home on over 3,000 different websites, we are notified instantly. We get back to the buyer while they're still sitting in front of their computer or with their phone still in their hand, instead of hours later when the chance of connecting with them is much slimmer. That gives you a huge advantage in getting that buyer into your home should they be qualified. Let me share with you our numbers. The average real estate agent in the greater Seattle area will sell between 2 and 4 homes a year. My team and I sell between 6 and 10 homes each and every month. Our proactive and aggressive approach really does work, and that's why we are in the top 1% of all real estate brokers in the state of Washington. Now, since we sell a lot more homes than the typical agent, I'm sure you'll agree that we have a lot more money and more resources available to market your home and attract more buyers to your home than a typical agent will ever have. Right now, my team and I are working with over 1,000 pre-approved and ready-to-act buyers looking for a home similar to yours. We can simply match one of these buyers to your home to sell it fast and for top dollar. And the fact is, our clients' homes really do sell faster and for more money. My average home sale takes 21 days, where the average agent takes 63 days to sell. My average listing to sale ratio is 100.5%, where the average agent is only able to get you 98.8% of your asking price. That means that I average 1.7% more money in my clients' pockets, and I sell 3 times as fast as the average agent. More than that, not only do our clients' homes sell faster and for more money, they are also more likely to sell. 88% of my homes sell, compared with only 62.8% of homes listed in our market that will ever sell. But don't take my word for it. We received the prestigious Best in Client Satisfaction Award from Seattle Magazine. And if that's not enough, check out all the tens of great reviews that we receive on Zillow from our many happy clients. There are no magic tricks or secret weapons here. There's simply a team of professional people who are highly trained and highly motivated. We have more time and resources to do things than a typical agent. That gives you and us a huge advantage. And in this market, that's what you need. To learn more about our home selling system that guarantees your home will sell for top dollar and in the least amount of time, contact us at the information that you see on the screen and then start packing.